Hello, today we are going to walk through the recording of Activity Tracker. Once you log into the application at learn.qatar.org, you will make sure on the right hand side you have logged in. Go into the first menu and click on Activity Tracker. This will open up in a new tab. This particular tracker is to allow you to save your information regarding what you have conducted on that day or that week with your children. And these are the three modules that are available right now. So you will click on Activity Completion Tracker form. That's a Google form which opens in a separate window. Expand it. Use this form to update the activities that you have walked the children through on that day or that week. Start with your email, your name, the organization that you present, and the date of the activity, number of hours you conducted, the age group of children. Here you can add any specific information you would like to track about the group. You might say this was a group of 6 to 12-year-old kids in the area of Khan Market in Delhi, something like that. Add the number of children who attended this session and enter the names of the children. Pick the language of communication and what you walk them through, whether you walk them through the English or the Hindi course content. In the future we will add more. And then you come to what specific module did you walk the children through. Was it the level 0, which is Damakdam, level 1 or 2? Right now there are only 3 levels. We will be expanding to more levels and more languages in the future. Once you finish this, you will click on next, and that will take you to a second page depending on which module you have selected. So in the second page you will have the different activities, TADA activities inside the module. So you will just have to go select. It's a checkbox. You'll have to select the ones that you have already completed on that particular day and submit.